Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Also, for breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Thank you so much. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 2, Milford FC 0. My brother, kunjani?
Asikhona futhi kunjani?
Sharp, thanks man. Uba igama ubeko.
Futhi nguvuyisana okakhali futhi ekumoshakele. Kumoshakele futhi iPirates iqale la iyeke khona. You understand?
Uyibhakane?
I-stress sibuyile si-Cape Town Spurs, you understand?
Okay,
But we think we're gonna join Orlando Pirates because there's no team is playing like Orlando Pirates. Remember, Spain is winning a trophy. Pirates was camping in Spain.
Exactly.
So the way yenze ngakhona Spain la yeke khona iPirates iqhubeke ngakhona. So there's no team as a stop by Pirates. The way idlala ngakhona iPirates. And now the team ezodlala after this says it's stress already. So iPirates idlala enye ibhola. And then defensive yabo badlale kahle kakhulu, so sizozobukela okuhle kakhulu kwiPirates. And then lana excess lakhpani la abuye uphila la, wangena lana ubuya uqhuka abuye uphila la ngoba kuzofa abantu la, kuzolimala abantu la ngoba, you understand? So warning. Remember the team eyadla abafethu le yadla Kaizer Chiefs kabuhlungu le team le yavuka ngeChiefs, you understand? So iPirates inikeza warning. So bese izinto kansini
awubheke le camera le lapha le obatshena ukuthi namhlanje iOrlando Pirates igene abalandeli ababili from where?
Yeah, as from today, Pirates is safe man. I'm a supporter from Cape Town Spurs. I2 namhlanje. So add a good number. Pirates is not a small team; it's a mega team.
Nazoke. Danke mega team.